Millions of people pay for meeting note tools every month, with no idea these free AI tools exist. By the end of this video, you'll discover the top free AI tools for capturing and organizing meeting notes, completely free, no credit card. But I'll let you in on a secret. The most surprising tool is saved for last. So keep watching to learn about the game changer that will revolutionize your meeting note-taking. First up is Otter.ai, which uses AI to automatically generate meeting notes, allowing you to focus on the conversation. For example, in a recent team meeting, Otter.ai accurately captured action items and assigned them to the right team members. A quick tip: make sure to review and edit the generated notes for accuracy. Next is Temi, a free AI tool that transcribes audio and video recordings, perfect for capturing meeting notes from virtual or in-person meetings. I used Temi to transcribe a conference call, and it saved me hours of note-taking time. A quick tip: use the timestamp feature to quickly jump to specific parts of the meeting. Number 3 is Descript, an AI-powered note-taking tool that allows you to record, transcribe, and edit meeting notes all in one place. For instance, I used Descript to take notes during a client meeting, and it helped me to quickly identify key takeaways and follow-up tasks. A quick tip: use the overlay feature to add context to your meeting notes. Here is a powerful one: Notion, an all-in-one workspace that uses AI to help you organize and connect your meeting notes to other projects and tasks. I use Notion to store and link all my meeting notes, making it easy to track progress and follow up on action items. A quick tip: set up a template for your meeting notes to ensure consistency. Another great tool is Trint, a free AI tool that provides highly accurate transcription services, allowing you to focus on high-level meeting notes. For example, I used Trint to transcribe a podcast interview, and it helped me to identify key quotes and sound bites. A quick tip: use the speaker identification feature to distinguish between multiple speakers. Next is Google Docs with its built-in AI-powered voice typing feature, allowing you to dictate meeting notes and have them typed out in real time. I used this feature to take notes during a meeting, and it was surprisingly accurate. A quick tip: use the voice commands to format and edit your notes. But I saved the best for last: Fireflies.ai, an AI tool that not only takes meeting notes, but also provides a summary of the discussion, action items, and follow-up tasks. For instance, I used Fireflies.ai to take notes during a team meeting, and it provided a concise summary that I could share with the team. A quick tip: integrate Fireflies.ai with your calendar to automatically capture meeting notes. In summary, these free AI tools, Otter.ai, Temi, Descript, Notion, Trint, Google Docs, and Fireflies.ai, will take your meeting note-taking to the next level. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content on AI tools, and check out the rest of the AI Toolbox series for more free and powerful tools to boost your productivity.